It never fails. Oh, there it comes. Every time I do my bird videos, uh, they all fly off. So there's a couple of them there. Hey, little buddy, what you doing? Are you having your Thanksgiving meal? It's a day late, so it's not Thanksgiving no more, little buddy. Anyway, let's see what. Oh, there's one. Man, see, I used to be a chef in the restaurant, so these are little mini restaurants, buffets I feed my birds. Man, that was still there. Man, he's hungry, or she is. Oh, look at the little bird. Want to see him fly away? Hello! It didn't work. Usually that does it. I know that's mean. Well, it's not mean. I'm just seeing what's going on. All right, don't be judgmental. I like my little birds. That's why I got 5 bird feeders up there. Oh, he's got company. The bird has company. No, the other one left. Oh man, that's all. Fooled me, didn't you? Yep. Oops, almost dropped the camera. Wow. Oh, they all flew away now. I didn't get to yell loud noises to make them fly away. Whatever. But anyways, that's all my bird feeder stuff. My poor birds don't have to eat because they all flew away. They're probably full, you know what I mean?